Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a photo from your Android mobile phone to your iOS mobile phone. In this case, we will be using Samsung Galaxy S5 and iPhone 6s. So we're gonna bring the mobile phones into the frame. That is the Android mobile phone and this is the iOS. So we have S5 and 6s. So now we can go to the Android phone for the moment, go to apps, make sure we have the application called ShareIt downloaded to the phone. If you don't know how to do that, there's a video in the previous tutorial. We showed you how to download and install ShareIt on your phone. Click on ShareIt. Wait for this to load. Skip the advert. Go to send photos. If we have no photo, we can just take a photo if required to. That is done. Go back to the application. Applications, ShareIt. Wait for the advertisement. Go to send. Photos. Today, we need to send this. Click on send. Open Bluetooth. We also need to turn off the Wi-Fi for the moment. Go back one, send, go to next, connect to iOS, continue, and this is what we will be connecting to from the iPhone. So bring the iPhone into the frame, go to settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then make sure you connect to what you have on screen. Yes, that itself is done. Go to ShareIt, and now we need to receive. Yes, so now the photo transfer is complete. Save to camera roll, yes. Go to your iPhone homepage, photos. And now the photo on the Android mobile phone has now been sent to the iOS device using the application called ShareIt on both devices. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.